Hello friends, welcome back again here. I hope you already completed the glossary of the third unit's first read. The two stories about flying. In that, the first read is that his first flight. So we have completed that description of that story, and now we are doing the question answer of the same. So let's start the exercise of the unit 3's read 1.1. Okay. Yes, friends. Third unit of your textbook, first flight, and yes, that is why I recite the name of your textbook. This is the third unit about the first flight, two stories about the flying. Okay, so we have completed the first one, his first flight. Okay, his it means seagull. We have here a beautiful story that one young seagull was trying to learn first time how to fly. Okay, his family, mother, father, two brothers, elder brothers, and one elder sister, they have already fluent. Okay, they have already flow. Okay, so now he is afraid. He was not having that courage to take his first flight, but with the help of her mother and a strike of the hunger approach him to for his first flight. Okay, so this is the story. Now we are doing the question answer of the same. So let's try. चलिए हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करते हैं. 5 क्वेश्चन हैं, उसके आंसर हम डिस्कस करेंगे. और आपने ग्लोसरी लिख लिया होगा इसका. हाँ, जितने भी वर्ड्स अंडरलाइन किए हैं वो आपको लिखने के हैं उसके मीनिंग के साथ. तो हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर करते हैं. मैं आपको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करता हूँ और यू शुड राइट इन योर नोटबुक. ओके. First question. Why was the young seagull afraid to fly? Do you think all young birds are afraid to make their first flight? Or are some birds more timid than others? Do you think a human baby also finds it a challenge to take its first step? Yes. इसका आंसर हम बहुत अच्छी तरह से दे सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन ये पूछना चाहता है कि जो स्टोरी में यंग सीगल था वो क्यों डर रहा था उसकी फ़र्स्ट फ्लाइट से, और सारे बर्ड्स होते हैं वो अगर डरते हैं क्या. और कुछ बर्ड्स हैं वो ज़्यादा टाइम लेते हैं या तो टाइमली वो अपना फर्स्ट फ्लाइट कर लेते हैं. और इसी तरह से उसमें तीसरा क्वेश्चन भी यही पूछा गया है कि ह्यूमन बेबी जो होते हैं वो भी अपना फर्स्ट स्टेप लेने के लिए चैलेंज होती है क्या. हाँ, तो इस तरह से ये 3 क्वेश्चन है, उसके हम आंसर देते हैं. यंग सीगल इन द प्रोज वॉज अफ्रेड टू टेक हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट बिकॉज he was not having courage and he was full of fear. Under the or the beneath the cliff he was having a big sea, a big sea area. So he was afraid that if he will make mistake anything or something like that, he will sink in the big sea. That is why he was afraid to fly. Do you think all young birds are afraid to make their first flight, or some birds more timid than others? Actually, birds' mother usually take them for their first flight, so they are not afraid. Usually, they will fly straight away. Okay, but some. Yes, but some birds are there, they are really timid. So then the others, like seagull in our story. So this is the mixture of that. But usually birds, baby, they are not afraid to take their first flight, but some are. इसमें ही जो तीसरा क्वेश्चन है, डू यू थिंक अ ह्यूमन बेबी ऑल्सो फाइंड अ चैलेंज. इट्स इसका आंसर हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं कि इट्स क्वाइट सिमिलर, नॉट ऑल बट फ्यू babies are afraid to take their first steps, but usually, like seagull mother has helped him, human baby's mother and other family members, they are helping him or her to take the first step. So it will be not the challenge for them, but they need courage to take their first step. इस तरह से हम इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में जो 3 क्वेश्चन है उसका आंसर हम लिख सकते हैं. दूसरा क्वेश्चन, द साइट ऑफ द फूड मैडेंड him, what does this suggest? What compelled the young seagull to finally fly? इसका मीनिंग क्या है? द साइट ऑफ द फूड, खाने को देखने की जो इसकी जो नज़र थी या तो उसकी जो इच्छा थी, क्योंकि वो भूखा था. तो व्हाट डज दिस सजेस्ट? सीगल वॉज अलोन सिंस द लास्ट डे, okay, since the previous day and night, and unfortunately he was not having anything to eat, so he was full of hunger, he was full of fear. But when seagull's mother take a piece of fish in his beak, so he was very mandated for the food. So we can say that the sight of food mandated him. Okay, इस तरह से इसका आंसर लिख सकते हैं. द सेकंड वन, व्हाट कंप्लीट द यंग सीगल टू फाइनली फ्लाई? नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग, seagull's mother has came near to the young seagull, and he was having a fish in his beak. So from last 2 days, young seagull was hungry. Okay, he was not having anything to eat, so that he has sight of that food in the beak of the mother seagull, and he has jumped to the fish, to the food. And for that, when he was upwards and downwards, he has flies his wings to the sky, and suddenly he knows that or realized that his wings was cutting the air, and then suddenly he feel that he was not now afraid, so he has started to fly, and this was his first flight. So we can say that the sight of food mandated him for his final fly or the first fly. Okay, now the third question, they were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. Why did the seagull's father and mother threaten him and cajole him to fly? ये क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा है कि क्यों सीगल के मदर फादर जो हैं और उसका फैमिली जो है वो उसे फ्लाई करने के लिए बुला रहा था. श्रीली यानी कि थोड़ा चिल्लम चिल्ली करके बोल रहा था. क्यों? A young seagull was afraid to fly. That is why he was alone on rock for a day, and this is the next day. But his family, mother, father, 2 brothers and a sister, the previous day they have flew. Okay, and he was there only just because he was afraid, and he was believing that his wings will not support him for the whole life. So when next day the whole family came back and seen that young seagull was there only, and he was afraid to fly, so that is why they were beckoning to him and calling shrilly. And young seagull's mother and father, they are threaten him and cajole him to support him. Okay, to learn him to fly. Okay, So the fourth one, have you ever had a similar experience where your parents encourage you to do something that you were too scared to try so many times, है ना? आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा बहुत टाइम हुआ होगा कि आप कुछ थिंग्स करने के लिए डर रहे हो और आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको हेल्प किया हो, लिफ्ट अप किया हो, मोटिवेट किया हो और आपने वो टास्क पूरा कर लिया हो। ऐसा एक कोइंसिडेंस है तो आपको यहाँ पे आपके तरीके से लिखना है। अगर इसमें आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो ऐसा इंसिडेंस मुझे बताइएगा और फिर मैं आपको उसका इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेट करके या ऐसा कुछ होगा तो सेंटेंस बना के आपको भेजूँगा, ठीक है? In the case of bird flying, it seems a natural act and a foregone conclusion that it should succeed. In the example you have given in answer to the previous question, was your success guaranteed or was it important for you to try regardless or possibility of failures? See, this question is telling that if you are thinking about the result, then or if the surety of the result, then you have to try, or anyhow you have to try. So we can have the answer of this question like this. See, in case the bird in this case the bird has got the success. He has tried by help by his mother, but if for that he was also not knowing the result, but he has tried, mother has encouraged him to try, and after all he has got the success. So as this we have to do the try for our life. We cannot sit like this, okay? The bird has sat for a whole one day, okay, without doing anything. In any manners we cannot sit like this. Whatever the result is it not in our hand, but to do something or for to try, that is definitely in our hand. So if any task is there in front of us, then we should try for that. Then if we are trying, then something or the fully positive result we will have. But if we are not trying, then the result is there in front of us, it will be 100% negative. ओके, सो इस तरह से इसका आंसर हम लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है? थैंक यू. सो with this exercise we have completed our read. Unit 3 is read 1. Now in second video we will have another read of the unit 3. Okay, till then, goodbye, thank you.